Hello, this is Mr. AB once more again on AB Math Education. We are looking at SAT questions. Please go ahead and like the video, subscribe if you haven't done so. Today we have been given a rectangular shape and then a hexagon inside, and some portion have been shaded, and we want to find the area of the shaded. I'm going to give you all the secret, the easy way for you to solve this question. Here, if we can able to calculate the hexagon and take it away from the area of rectangle, we will get our answer. You need to know the formula for the area of a polygon. That's the easy way. If we can do that, that will help us. So the area of a polygon is half the apidem times the perimeter, which in the same way is the half the number of sides and one of the side times the apidem. So we need the apidem. The apidem is the perpendicular height. So let's go ahead and draw and get our perpendicular height and all that. Draw. So we draw to get our small triangles, and then we need the perpendicular height. Before then, you see, we can assume that these angles are 60 because it's divided equally, so 60 and 60. All the triangles are equal, so we can say 60 here, 60 over here. So let's go ahead and get our perpendicular height. If I draw a line, so if we draw that, we can get our perpendicular height, and we realize that this is going to be 30 here and 60, and we got a 90 here. So looking at one of the small triangle, we could see that. And the AF has been given as 4, and this is dividing it equally. So here and here, from this point to this point is going to be 2, and from this point to this point is going to be 2. Remember, I keep on saying that this special right triangle ratio, it is really, you need to study that. I have a video, I will attach it. It tells us that anytime we have special right triangle, which is 30 tag 60 tag 90, is exhibiting a special ratio of 1 and 1√3, and then twice, which is 2 here. Here we see the 30 is facing here is 2. So if we have 2 here, without doing any calculation, we can able to figure out here is also going to be 2√3, and then here is going to be 4. So we see that here is going to be 4, and this perpendicular height is going to be 2√3. Remember, this from here is the same as from here to here. So here is going to be 2√3. Same thing, this is halfway that way. So here is going to be 2√3. So we kind of, right now we have already solved the question with all this calculation. So we are going to, as I said, we are going to use the area of a polygon. The polygon is hexagon. They mention it here, so that it makes sense we do it that way. So for us to find that area of a polygon, which has been given as this, just going to be the number of sides of the polygon, which is hexagon. So hexagon is 6 times one of the side here, use the whole of this, which is going to be 4. So 4 times the apidem, we got it to be 2√3, and all divided by 2. It's from the formula. So here we get 48√3, all divided by 2, and that will give us 24√3. Okay, let's go ahead and calculate. So the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. So here we could see that the length, the whole length here, this is from here is 2. So the same thing here 2, here 2. So the whole of here is going to be 8. So times the width, which happens to be 2√3 plus another 2√3, that will give us 4√3. 3 will give us 32 root 3. So now we need the shaded. So if we can take off the area of the polygon from this bigger rectangle, that will give us the answer. So the shaded area is just going to be 32 root 3 minus 24 root 3, and that is equals to 8 root 3. That's our answer. There's so many ways that we could have solved this using the trig ratio. We could have also calculated the area of the triangles, and then we add it up, then take it away from the bigger rectangle. I decided to go ahead and find the area of the polygon, which kind of is a shorter way. But you can go ahead and try it on your own using finding the area of the triangles, and you see that you will get the same answer. And after that, you will decide if you like my method. If you like my method or not. You decided to see which one actually is easier for you to use in case of exams, in case it comes in your exams. Go ahead, like the video. If you haven't subscribed at this point, go ahead and subscribe so that you'll be part of the family. Be blessed. Wish you the best in your upcoming exams. Bye-bye.